Hello again everybody and welcome back. Right, so look at size at dog now. If you look back into my free VPN videos, Jesus Christ, he's like a monster, man. He's had his hair cut weird though, he looks like a dinosaur now, I think. You know, then we skull that headbutt everything. Right, so just a quick joke, what the niece told me again. What did the grape do when it got stood on? Let out a little whine. Sound. Right, so a lot of people are asking, do I need a VPN? A VPN is a virtual private network, and I'm going to say a lot of people, they won't need one. A lot of people, they could do with one. You really would need to use one. There's a link in the description down below of a paid premium service, it's IP Vanish. It's one I use personally, I've never had any problems with it. It's pretty fast and it is a good service. But there are free VPNs as well, but these do kill your internet speeds. So, such as your download speeds, it may be 100 megabytes per second when you're on your internet. It may kill it down to like 5 megabytes per second, if not less. And that's with the free VPNs. So, that's where you're kind of benefiting from a premium service and also the other benefits to it. So I'll just explain it a bit more inside the video. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon next to it. This will give you a notification every time I upload a new video. Check out the links in the description down below. And let's crack on. Right, so I'm just using my 4K Fire Stick, but obviously this applies to Fire Stick, any Amazon devices, Android devices, phones, tablets, PCs, everything. A VPN can be used on literally any device you can think of. And what a VPN does, say your IP address is to your location. So if say your IP address is 123 at home, then the internet service provider, so your internet service can see your location and what you're doing on your internet connection. So a VPN would change your IP address from 123 to say 678. And it puts you into a different location, so they're not actually seeing what your location is downloading, watching and things like that. Another thing what a lot of people don't realise as well is sometimes an APK or an app or a TV channel, it may only broadcast to such as the US. And if you're based in the UK, you will not be able to watch that show or that channel. And this is where also a VPN comes in. Such as Tubi TV, you can't watch it in the EU. So you have to make your IP address go to an American IP address, so anywhere in the United States. So if I went on IP Vanish, this is how it looks. On Fire Stick, it looks a bit more advanced on PC. And I can just go on literally country. You can pick whatever country you want your location to be. So you put your router in whichever location you want. So if I go on United States, I can just click on best city, best server, or you can click actual date or wherever you want to be. And then all you do is click on connect and it'll start connecting you like you'd expect something to connect you if you were connecting. And that's it. That is what you do. And that is how you cache your IP address. So if you're using such as Tubi TV or geolock content and you can't watch it in the UK, so you have to look like you're in the United States. Same if you're in the United States, you need to look like you're in the United Kingdom. That's all you have to do. And that's a very good thing about a VPN as well. But this isn't the only thing a VPN does, and this is what people get confused with. Right, a VPN, yes, it does change your IP address, so your location. But also when people are having problems inside APKs with such as links, I'll quickly start up a thing now. APK they're called, aren't they? Totally just mind blank then. So, say I want to go to the top, I go to TV shows, and then I'm going to click on that bad boy. Never seen it in my life, don't know what it is. Is it worth a watch? I don't know. But now you can see I'm starting to search for links inside this APK. And what it is, it's dragging sources. A lot of people are experiencing, such as in Cyberflix as well, Morph TV, everything like that. You're having problems getting sources. As you can see, it's started to drag through different links for me. I'm using an VPN, sorry. If you're not getting this, what your internet service provider does, it can block websites. So it can stop your device from downloading from certain websites. It can stop you searching for different streams and sources. And people don't realise this either. So if you're having problems downloading or finding sources and links inside an APK, this could be a problem. So there is a free VPN inside my videos. You can find a couple of free VPNs inside my file link. It will kill your speeds. It'll be a lot slower. So do be aware of that. But like I say, a link for IP Vanish will be down below if you're looking to maybe try a premium service, I don't know. But if I go inside file links as well, what a lot of people have been experiencing, there's a free VPN there, look, and there's another one called Turbo VPN down at the bottom. So when they've been clicking on an APK, such as, say I want to click on, I'm going to click on a little APK so it don't take ages, Media Box, it says download started. A lot of people have been getting an error message, and this can be because your internet service provider is blocking links. And also a very important part of this is torrents. If you are downloading torrents, a lot of people using Showbox were downloading the movie before watching it. So if you're downloading a movie, your internet service provider can see that you're downloading that movie. And it's alright. In fact, it's not. They can really see that you're downloading a movie that you shouldn't be downloading. But if you're downloading torrents and using torrents, torrents is a different kind of file. If your Showbox had them as well, there was a torrent option. So if I say I watch Walking Dead and it was a torrent version, when I'm watching torrent, it's downloading the stream for me, but it's also a portion of it's being uploaded. So you're also distributing that link. So that file, you're also giving it out. And this is another thing people have received letters for and warnings, because people don't realise what they are doing. But like I say, if you are using just general streaming purposes, you're watching stuff on a normal server and it's a popular one, as long as it's not torrents, I think you should be fine. And also when you're using like live TV and things like that, those kind of APKs as well, you can experience buffering. Even inside movie APKs, sometimes buffering can be caused from your internet service provider, which is, it's unreal, honestly, how much of a part they play in how your device performs. But when it comes to buffering, it can be a lot of it can be to do with your device and to do with just the internet connection alone and things like that. There are a hell of a lot of different reasons why it can perform like that. Even at the APKs, and when it comes to live TV, it's not a reliable source to use. There is IPTV, which I honestly, that is awesome. For live TV, every channel you can think of, it's awesome. If you've not heard of that, link in the description down below. There's one called the Cable Guy TV. That is shit up. That runs flawless and the support's great. And like I say, check that one out if you do want to find a reliable source, because I know a lot of people have been asking about that as well. So I just wanted to get a quick video out there just to tell you, if you need a VPN, I usually say no. But now everybody has, I've seen how many people actually download the movies and things like that and don't actually realise what they are watching or what they are downloading. So I would say try and stay safe. Maybe buy the premium one or try out just the free VPN first. Make sure you try that, because if that one works alright, what's the point in buying a premium serviced one? It's not too expensive to buy one. Like I say, I use it personally. I think I paid something like 60-70 pound for 2 years, which is good. I mean, my head's twitched right quick then, you see it? The right switch. But yeah, definitely try the free ones first. If they kill your speeds that much and you're not having much joy with it, definitely move to IP Vanish. Such as if you're on PC, you want to have a good internet speed. So I would recommend that you do get such as IP Vanish for that. But like I say, do check out the links in the description down below. Any questions, do comment down below. Really, comment down below. We're all here to help. Let's help each other out. And just like this video and share it around, because it's been very popular lately. I'll see you soon. Ta-da.